welcome back to another video. It's Brian. In today's video, we are having a group ride, but this time we have analog bikes and e-bikes. Yeah, this should be a fun ride. The guys at work and us, we ride the e-bikes, and the guys just got themselves some analog bikes. And we wanted to do a ride together to work because we all kind of live close by, some of us. We are on our way to the beginning of the trail. We're gonna go meet Theo. We're gonna meet Soto at a different point. He's the only one who lives the opposite distance of us. Yeah. There comes Theo. His bike is pretty dope. He just got the bike. Alright.
Huh? You braking with you? No, I use my brakes. Oh, I dropped my freaking phone on the hill and my croissant. I had to turn around and go all the way halfway back up there.
Were you eating the croissant?
I was so mad. I kept the egg. Yeah. The egg in the top bun, but the sausage in the bottom bun.
That sucks. Dude. Sorry to hear that.
Yeah.
This trail, that way goes to Sikiota Park.
Really?
Yep.
What?
And this goes to the beginning or to the end of the trail.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, yeah. And then the other end is by Spencer.
Oh, like
by the highway
over there in that area.
Yep. Yep. That's where all this trail goes to. That's where the bike trail is too.
What?
That's where the bike trail is.
Really?
Yeah, with the jumps and shit in there.
Oh, I'm gonna have to check that out.
Yeah, yeah.
I didn't know it was that.
Yeah, it's like in there. You just gotta go in there. Yeah, so we basically just doing little group rides this morning. We all work together and just having a good time riding our bikes. Theo and Soto will be having analog bikes. So it's still bikes. Group ride.
What up? neighbor?
Where you at?
Where? I'm here on Ventura. What? Good?
Alright.
Yeah.
You alright?
Yeah.
I felt bad for him.
What happened?
Oh, that was.
Oh, you was back right? Yeah.
I'm keeping up.
I never felt it. I don't feel it the same way. My bad.
No, you're good.
I was telling you about Bryce forgot about us.
No, I was just like, looking here. I'm like, 15, 16 miles. I'm like, all right. And I'm like, oh, like, no way.
It's okay. When we meet up with Soto,
It,
we'll have 2 and 2.
all right. So we'll go here to the light and then Oak Grove. Look at this. Tesla. Yeah. Tesla town.
They look big. Oh, no, I think that one's Model Y.
Yep. This one looks bigger.
Yeah, that's the X.
There you go. Oh, right. You said go. I said, all right, cool. It's not, they're not gonna stop. I said.
I was ready. I was like, oh yeah. Turned around.
Take the yellow. Take the yellow.
Shoot. It was already there, so I was like,
Yeah. Yeah. I don't think anybody would have gone immediately. You know. Yeah. They knew. It's a little hot.
Yeah.
Shit.
No, it was cool. Like as soon as I left, it was kind of cold.
Yeah.
It quickly changed.
That's what Leslie said too. She's like, ooh.
Yeah.
It's kind of cool. She says, I'm like, yeah, so I'm wearing a jacket because I know already. Yeah.
Heat up.
Yep. That's part of the trail. That, yep. That's pretty cool there.
We definitely get that of it.
Yeah, dude, it's just chill. You go from one end to the other end.
Yeah.
Yep.
Check out the whole shebang bang.
Yes, sir.
And of course, I've got my stupid Allen wrench.
You just got tying it? Is that what you're gonna do?
Yeah, it's got tightened the fork.
Oh, okay.
It came loose. Granted, I don't think I tightened it that much in the first place.
Right.
It should be coming around this corner.
Yeah. Like right now, probably. Yep. We are waiting on one more person, guys. Here we go. All right.
All right.
Oh, he said go, so I was like, all right, cool. Yeah, this is go to Bennett here to the light and make a left. Take it, take it, take it. I hope everyone out there is enjoying their summer. Summer has been fairly good for us here where we live. No extreme heat or extreme rain. So we're glad about that here. Here we are. So it's waiting for us here already.
Hey, Ray. He already stopped. When? I was eating it, and my phone fell out of my pocket, and then half my croissant fell on the way down one of the hills. Oh, I was so mad. Oh, there goes my birthday.
It just keeps moving? Like, just moves off?
I just gotta tighten it when I get home. I forgot my stupid Allen wrenches.
I have one. I have my set.
Oh, shit.
Yeah.
We got some time. Yeah.
All right. Let's go.
Hey.
We are hitting up the supermarket before heading into the shop. Got some snacks, some drinks, and to the job. Check out this giant mac here, some mac and cheese. That's the craft company here in town. They make a lot of cheese there. Well, we have arrived to the store and we'll check in with you guys real quick. Alright guys, on our way back on the ride. The guys are behind me. And this is the last stretch before we get to the shop. At the barber shop. No, it's not a barber shop. I know I haven't been doing much talking in this video. I'm just trying to enjoy the ride and keep up with the guys. We are back on the bike route, guys. I like it. Full speed. Shoot, Theo's going 15 plus on that analog. That's nice. You were going like 15 miles an hour back there.
Oh yeah. Road race for me.
Go, go! I love it, man. This is cool. E-bikes and analog bikes can live together, guys. This is proof. This video here is proof. This is just like any other group ride, except these guys in front of me are using their feet to pedal. And we have a little bit of assist mode on the bikes. Just cruising. We're definitely gonna have to do this again. maybe we'll make a video on a different trail. The four of us have been talking about going on a different trail, so maybe we'll bring some of that to you guys soon. You can go straight or you can turn. Oh, okay. Turn. Left turn. Left turn.
That sly dog. He did cheat.
Down. Uphill. Well, I hope you guys enjoy this short video. Try to keep it very short for you guys. If you enjoyed this video, drop a like, drop a comment, man. It would help this video to get out to more people, and I would really appreciate from all you guys. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.